Hello my dear students, I am your maths teacher, Mrs. Amir Kaur Adi. Let's continue with the problem set 4, and today children we are going to study its question number 9. Which question? Question number 9. And what is question number 9? See, question number 9 is if A, B, C, D are in proportion, then prove that you have to prove that these two ratios, whatever given, these two ratios are what? Equal. Means 11a square plus 9ac by 11b square plus 9bd is equal to a square plus 3ac by b square plus 3bd is what? Equal. Now children, the sums will be very easy if we simplified these sums by using K method. Now I have in one video I have already explained you what is K method. So here as we have given that A, B, C, D are in proportion. Okay, so let's write the proof for this. Proof. Okay, so let's write A, B, C, D are in proportion. So when it is this A, B, C, D are in proportion, you know we have to take A by B is equal to C by D is equal to K. Say. Okay, let's take this ratio is equal to K. Now if it is K, you know A is equal to what? BK and C is equal to DK by cross multiplication. Okay, now let's simplify your left hand side children. First we simplify the left hand side. Now see your left hand side. LHS is equal to, so write your LHS. Your LHS is 11a square plus 9ac upon 11b square plus 9bd. Now just put in place of A BK and in place of C what? DK. Okay, so here is A. So 11 A is equal to BK. Always take bracket whenever you are putting the values, plus 9 A is what? BK and your C is what? DK. Okay, and is equal to, now just simplify 11. It will be what? B square K square. Sorry. It's division, denominator is also there, by 11b square. 11b square will be as it is and 9bd also as it is. Now let's simplify the numerator. 11b square K square plus 9b is here only, C again one time, D also there. Here what we have written? 9ac. So your A is what? BK. Sorry. B, this D and K square. BDK square. Okay. Upon 11b square plus 9bd is equal to. Now see, from here you can see K square is common. So you take out K square common. So when K square is out of the bracket, in the bracket what is left? 11b square plus 9bd upon, your denominator will be as it is. Take bracket, as it's a binomial we have to consider. Now this you can see get cancelled, and what is left here? K square. Okay, so the LHS value you are getting K square. Suppose this is what? Number 1. Now let's simplify children RHS. Here I am simplifying RHS now. Here your RHS is what? A square plus 3ac upon B square plus 3bd. Okay. Again you put the values for A is equal to BK and C is equal to what? A equal to BK and C is equal to DK. So let's simplify. Here is A. In place of A you have to put BK. So BK whole square plus 3 again BK and C equal to what? DK upon B square. B square will be as it is plus 3bd. We are putting the values only for A and C. Okay, now just simplify. You will get b square k square plus 3b d k square upon b square plus 3bd. Now from the numerator you can see, children, this k square is common, so take out of the bracket, and inside the bracket b square plus 3bd upon b square plus 3bd. Now this complete will get cancelled, and what is left? K square. So you can see on the left hand side when we have solved, there also the value you are getting k square, and on the right hand side also when you have solved you are getting it as k square. So from 1 and 2, now you will write from 1 and 2, LHS is equal to what? RHS, and that only you have to prove that left hand side, the value of left hand side is equal to the value of right hand side. So we can write hence proved. Whatever you have to show, that you can write, or you can write this also, these two ratios, whatever question given, that they are what? Equal. So in this way we have solved our first example. Now let's move to second example. Now second example, you can see on the screen is this one, and LHS is equal to left hand side we have written. Now again ABCD are in proportion. So you know in the first example, as we have taken commonly, that A by B is equal to C by D is equal to K, A equal to BK, and C is equal to DK. So let's put the values in place of A, B, K. So it will be BK whole square plus 5 into DK whole square upon this B square plus 5D square as it is. Now simplify the numerator. Here you will get B square K square plus 5 D square K square upon B square plus 5D square, isn't it? Now children, you can see better here K square is common. So in the square root you take out here K square common, and here in the bracket it will remain B square plus 5D square upon B square plus 5D square, and this will get cancelled, and you will get root K square, and you know this square will get cancelled with this root, and the answer is what? K, and give this as number 1. Okay, you know this square root and square get cancelled, so it will be K. Now let's simplify RHS. What is RHS? Only A by B. So let's put the value of A. A is what? BK. By B, BB get cancelled, and you got K, and this is what? Number 2. Now here you will write from 1 and 2, LHS is equal to RHS. LHS is equal to RHS, and hence proved. Okay, hence proved. So in this way we have completed our second example. So very easy. Now let's move to its third example. Now here is your third example of question number 9, and LHS, you have to show that LHS and RHS are what? Equal. So here I have written LHS. Now let's put the values. A is equal to what? BK. So here BK whole square plus this A is what here? BK. So this B will be as it is plus B square as it is upon A square, again BK whole square minus A is equal to what? BK into here what? B plus B square. Okay, now children, remove this bracket. Let's simplify. So it will be what? B square K square plus B into B will be what? B square K plus B square upon here again B square K square minus B into B will be B square into K. This dot means into. Okay, plus B square. And now see children, here from the numerator you can see here is B square, here B square, and here B square. So simple, you take out B square common, and here children what is left is the bracket K square plus K plus 1. In the denominator let's check it out, what is common? Here B square and B square. So b square is common. What is left here? K square minus k square minus k plus 1. So you can see b square get cancelled. So what is left here? K square plus k plus 1 upon k square minus k plus 1. Okay, now give these as number 1. So in this way we have solved our left hand side. Now let's move to RHS. Let's simplify RHS now. Now this is your right hand side. You know the value of C is what? dk. So here you will take dk whole square plus cd. So C is what? Your dk into d plus d square upon, now here c square again. So c square is what? dk whole square minus cd. So your c is what? dk into d plus d square. Okay, now let's simplify this. Take power separately, separate the powers. So what you will get here? d square k square plus here d into d is what? d square k plus d square upon, here now you see d square k square minus d into d is what? d square and k plus d square. Now children, you can find that from the numerator you can see here d square, here also d square and here also d square. So d square is common. So what is left in the numerator now? K square plus k plus 1. When the whole term is common, what is left always there? 1. Remember this. Now from the denominator you can see d square. So take out d square common and here what is left? K square minus k plus 1. Now d square get cancelled and what is left? K square plus k plus 1 upon k square minus k plus 1, and now give this as number 2. Now from 1 and 2 children, what you are getting? You can see here from 1 and 2 your LHS is equal to RHS. Okay, so as both the hands are equal, we can write hence proved. So in this way we have completed our question number 9. Now let's move to the next question, question number 10. Now children, let's move to question number 10, where we have given that if A, B, C are in continued proportion, then you have to prove that LHS, ratio of LHS is equal to the ratio of right hand side. So children, I told you always read the given part. What is given here? That if A, B, C are in continued proportion. So here also you have to use K method. And whenever it is continued proportion, you know this B is repeating, means A by B is equal to B by C equals to K you have to take. Now by cross multiplication, A is equal to BK and B is equal to CK you will get. Now as we have got B equal to CK, let's re-put this value here for B, and when you will put, you will get A is equal to CK square. Now let's prove both the hands are equal. Okay, so LHS is equal to, we have A by A plus 2B. Now just put the values A. What is A? In place of A, remember children, you have to put CK square by A plus 2B. Again A, so here CK square plus 2B, and B is equal to what? CK. And now let's simplify. Here in the numerator, your numerator will be as it is. From the denominator, see that here C and C is same, and here the power of K is 2 and here power of K is 1. So if the power is 2 and 1, the lowest power is 1, so this 1K you can take out common. So C K is common, and what is left here? 1K plus here 2. Okay, now just simplify. CC get cancelled, and here K square 2 times, K 1 time, this is also cancelled. And now children, you can see what is left in the numerator K and in the denominator K plus 2. So let's give this as number 1. Now let's simplify RHS. Now see children, this is your right hand side, a minus 2b by a minus 4c. Okay, let's put the value of a is equal to what? Ck square. So let's put here ck square minus 2 into b, and b is what? Ck upon a is again ck square minus 4c. Now children, you can see from the numerator, just take out the common c, 1c and k. Ck is common, so ck is common, and here what is left? K minus 2 upon. Here again you can see c is common. Okay, so when c is common, what is left in the bracket? K square minus 4 is left. Okay, now this cc get cancelled, and what is left now? K minus 2 upon k square minus 4. Now children, you see in the denominator this k square minus 4. As soon as you see this step, which identity clicks? It's click me a square minus b square. Yes. So this is in the form of a square minus b square. You can write. So here it will be 2 square. You have to write in the perfect form of the identity. And now this is your numerator, and k square minus b square. This is means a square minus b square. You know the identity, a square minus b square is equal to a plus b, a minus b. So here you can write k plus 2 and k minus 2. And this get cancelled. What is left now? K by k plus 2. Now give this as number 2. So again simple, from 1 and 2. LHS is equal to what you got? RHS, and both the hands are equal, so you can write now hence proved. I hope you understood this example of continued proportion. Now let's move to its second example. Now see your second example. B by b plus c is equal to a minus c. This you have to show, or this you have to prove. So again in the same way, LHS we have written. Let's simplify LHS first. B, what is the value of b? B is equal to ck. So just write ck by b, again is what there? Ck plus c. Now in the numerator it will be as it is, and in the denominator you see c is common, so take out c common, and what is left here? K plus 1. The cc get cancelled, and what is left now? K by k plus 1. Now just simplify now RHS. Let's simplify RHS. What is your right hand side? A minus b by a minus c. Now let's simplify. A, what is the value of a? A is your ck square minus b is what? Ck upon a, again ck square minus c. Now children, you can see in the numerator ck is common, so take out ck common, and what is left here? 1k is out of the bracket, so 1k is left here, minus 1 upon, from here what is common? C, and here you will write k square minus 1 is left. Now children, in the same way as we have used the identity in the previous sum, this cc get cancelled. Okay, so here k only will left, k minus 1 upon. Now you can see here, you can use the identity a square minus b square. You know 1 can be written as 1 square. Any power you can take. Now a square minus b square is equal to a minus b, a plus b. So here what you will get? K minus 1, k plus 1, or you can write k plus 1, k minus 1, both are same. K minus 1 get cancelled, and what is left? You can see k plus 1. This LHS give as number 1, and this let's give it number 2. So again from 1 and 2, LHS is equal to RHS, hence proved. Okay. So I hope you understood this example of continued proportion, that is question number 10. Okay.